Hey, this is Charlie. I'm not gonna do that. This is Charlie. I want to do a video on new things. I'll show you. Let me just get it out first. Oh, geez. Where do I put you? Oh, God. Right there. For now. You can see me, right? Okay, I'm watching you on my phone, and it's like a delay, so, I mean, this might be a little, weird. Right? Okay, yeah, never mind. I'm going to be doing a video, shoot, come on cars. Not just cars, but, like, Matchbox cars. And they're all real. I mean, some are Matchbox cars. I'm going to make a couple videos, and I'm going to post them up one at a time. This is the first one. But, let's see. Let's start out with I don't know, actually. What should we start out with? That one can go, but, whatever. Let's start out with... Let's go ask my friend. Landon! What should I start out with? What car? Say a company. Okay, Ford. Let's say... Let's do this one. Right here. Okay. Let me make up the setting right now. Look where it's going to take place if you know what setting it is. What color should the background be? I have an idea. Okay, I'll just use this right here. Okay. Come on. Okay, so this is a Ford Mustang, right? Yes. A 1965 Ford Mustang, customized, obviously, because it probably wouldn't be running at this time. And let me move what I'm looking at, because it's right here. See, yeah. It's a delay, see, But, see, okay, so this is it right here. And has a yellow interior. And I'm pretty sure this one, it has the underbody, by the way. It is a 2012. It was made in 2012. Made in Malaysia. It has gold wheels. The 3 lights, like always, or 6 lights, if you want to say. And it has the dual racing stripes with the hood vents in the back and the hood extension up front right here. A nice short grill. I mean, the lights aren't colored or anything. But, oh, Lord. Can't see what's back there. That's top secret. I'm just kidding. It also has these side vents right here, side exhausts, and it looks like it's been slammed. I mean, that's just my opinion. Yellow interior, not anything special. Does that show up right? I don't know yet. Okay, that's very blurry. Sorry, I'm getting it on a delay, so I don't know. As you can see, the exhaust running up from the motor. Oh, I shouldn't do that hand. Oh, whoops. As you can see, the exhaust running up from the motor comes out the side. The differential, rear differential. Gas tank, maybe, Transmission right here. And Okay, no, that's the gas tank right here. Leaf springs. Oh, oh Lord. And yeah, it's the first car. I have more to come, all different shapes and sizes. Sneak peek, you know, whatever. Also have different things like trucks. Also have that right there, which is a combine harvester for crops, and the crops it does harvest is sugarcane. Also have this thing. Got it, but I don't know if I will do a review. You can comment down below if I should post it. But anyway, I will have to say bye.